Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Meat and mash Sunday. Another great pressure cooker recipe. This is beautiful but cheap beef. It doesn't have to be pricey to be good. Now I'm gonna make chunks out of it. And I really like the word chunk, if you know what I mean. Now this is ready. I also gonna cut up 2 onions, and it doesn't have to look pretty, just make it chunky. Oh, and I tried many things for not crying, and nothing really helped, so I'm just doing it very quickly. And here you have it, chunky onions. Heat up the pressure cooker with the saute option and put in some good olive oil. Now look at that, pretty. Now comes the meat, and we're gonna do it in batches and really get a beautiful sear on the meat. That's where the delicious flavor comes from. Ah yes, it's getting there. And it smells already really good. Ah yes, they're almost ready. See? Beautiful. Now it's scooping time. And then we're gonna do it all over again. We're also gonna saute the onions and give it a good mix so you can scrape off all that good and delicious beef goodiness and let them become friends. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of worcestersauce, and man, that smells amazing. Give it a good mix. And we're gonna put in some salt. I am adding about 300 milliliters of pre-made beef broth, and it also comes with a little bit of beef. Beef, more deliciousness. Now give it a good stir. Now put back in the meat. More friends in 1 pot, so give them a good mix. And for some extra flavor, I'm adding some garlic powder and some delicious 4-season pepper. Really grind it in. Now 1 final stir before we're gonna pressurize. And then the meat will be very tender. So we're gonna close the lid and check if the pressure is good. Now we're gonna use this pressure cooker option on high, and we're gonna use it for about 30 minutes. Let's do this. And this is the result of the 30 minutes. Beautiful. Oh man, and it smells so good. I also added 2 bay leaves and I forgot to tell it. Now we're gonna use some starch and some liquid from the pressure cooker and make a little paste out of it. This will help thicken the sauce. And we want a little bit of thick sauce. Now put it back in, give it a good stir, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now, this is the result. Thick sauce with beautiful meat. And I'm trying to scoop out some meat to let you see how tender it is. Now look at that, it falls apart. I'm gonna taste this one. Delicious. Now comes the plating. And I bought pre-made mash. I know it's lazy, but this one is really delicious. It's made with some good butter. And we're gonna put on about 2 tablespoons. Now our delicious meat, and it's really the star of the dish. A side dish of pumpkin and red onions. That's really delicious. Now some chives to top it off, and of course 1 spoon of that goodiness, that delicious thick sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my pressure cooker dish, meat and mash. If you're new, I hope you subscribe to my channel, give me a like and leave me a comment. I really like and enjoy reading your comments. And as always, see you next time.